Alright guys, this is the RC Era 1/48 scale Huey Heavy Lift video number 4. We're done away with the zip ties. I made a little aluminum base plate, bolts into where the landing gear bolts into. We got some winch line with a winch hook, giving us some pretty good length here. So it's going to be a little bit of an upgrade. And to make things even better, we have a cargo lift. Now it's big because this thing can lift a pretty good amount. So we are going to attempt to see how this flies. This should link in like that. Perfect. And yeah. We're going to see how this flies. Now we've gone through it. It could not lift Optimus Prime. Could not lift the Porsche. But it did lift Gravedigger. And this is a metal monster truck. So it is about the same weight. Close to the same weight as the helicopter. Now I got some scale stuff here that we're going to load in to see how much it can actually lift, and if it can do it, some big bore shocks. So without any more, let's get to the action. Alright, we're about ready to go. Everything's hooked up. Yeah, picks it up. Let me get this thing trimmed up here. Alright. Look at that. That is hovering. No input. That's impressive. So it's taken all that weight, no problem. Not having to give it any more throttle. Maneuvers good. Handles the weight good. Yep. Seem to be able to get the swing under control when you start moving. Really, really impressive. Alright, now let's put some weight in it and see what it can do. Okay, we're gonna try the fuel and the plastic. See the gun in here. It's gonna be quite a bit for it. Let's see what it's got. Got it, a little swingy, but it's got it. A little bit more throttle needed. It does pull it down to the ground, but it does have it. Getting under control now. You do need to give it some throttle, keep it in the air, but you know, that's quite a bit of weight. Let's see what it's got. You know, I think I can get upstairs a little. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe we'll save that for a lighter load. But it is pretty full. Can do it. Let's move around here. Like nothing. I mean, we got quite a bit more weight we can put into it. Now it's probably gonna suck the battery dry pretty quick, having to put the extra throttle in, but heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Whoop! I just took myself out there. Got a little disorientated looking at the phone. Drop her down. Bring her back. Keep that blade out of the line. Success. We'll wait for a fresh battery to try more weight.